Find a quiet, comfortable space. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Gently notice the space around you, and then slowly bring your attention inward. If thoughts come up, that's okay. Let them move through like clouds passing in the sky. There is nothing you need to hold on to right now. Now take a moment to check in with yourself. How do you feel right now? If you notice a sense of loneliness, let it be here with you. Sometimes loneliness feels like a heaviness in your chest. You don't need to push it away. Just allow it to be. Today, you don't need to change it, hide it, or even deny it. Just be here with it. Bring your attention to your breath. With every inhale and exhale, you are giving yourself permission to feel without judgment, without needing to fix anything. Loneliness doesn't define you. You are more than this feeling. Say in your mind or out loud, I'm allowed to feel lonely, and I'm allowed to let it pass. Now imagine you are wrapping your arms around that lonely part of yourself, like you are comforting a dear friend who just needs some warmth and understanding. Can you speak to that part with kindness? Say, I see you. I feel your pain, and I am here with you. Stay with that feeling for a while. Let a stillness surround it. Let that part of you feel held. Now bring your awareness to your heart, the center of your chest. Notice the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. With every beat, there is life. There is love flowing through you. You are here. You are breathing. You are loved. Imagine a gentle, beautiful light beginning to glow around your heart. It's warm. It's calming. It's filled with love and compassion. Let that light slowly grow, filling your chest, expanding through your body, bringing comfort and calm. There is no need to rush. Just let the light gently reach your arms, your hands, your legs, your feet. Let it flow all the way through you. Let it wash over you. You are not alone in this moment. The light of your being is here with you. You are here and you are enough. Now allow this light to expand beyond your body, feeling the space around you. Let it stretch outward, gently touching everything, connecting you with the world around you. Feel the warmth of that connection. Know that there is something greater holding you. You are held in this moment, surrounded by an invisible web that connects you to everything. There is no distance, no separation. You are part of everything. Now rest in that peace, knowing you are connected to your being, to this moment, and to everything around you. Let that peace gently settle within you. And when you find yourself alone, remember, you are always connected and you are still whole. Slowly take a few deep breaths, bringing yourself back to the room. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice the air around you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Know that you can return to this space anytime you need. You are never alone. You are connected to your being, to your light, and to the hearts of others who are also finding their way. You are part of it all.